remember the details, right? It's the
Yeah.
details. A lot of time when you're building things or you're thinking about customer service, you focus so much on all the core things that need to get done for the customer, for the cookies, for the product, those other things. And it's almost like always like people just forget to leave room for the details. It's like, oh, is that really important? But actually, those details are what are really, really important. As one of our crew members, when they look at a customer in the eye and they just say, "We'll see you next week," or "How was your day?" That's a small detail that can often get overlooked, right? Or the shape of the box, like we always fight and people are like, does it really even matter the shape of the box? And like the answer is yes, it does. It really, really matters. And those details really matter. So I think as those that are, our crew members or our franchise partners or others, I always say, take an extra little bit of time on that swirl and that cookie. Take a little extra time to say kind words to someone. Take a little extra time to make sure your bakery is the cleanest in the world. Take a little extra time to make sure that those details. So I think that remember the details would be my note.
Sounds